Are you wrestling with the COD Error Code blzbntbgs0000000c and have no idea how to fix it? Well, you're not alone. This bug has been reported by a large number of Battle.net users who, instead of diving into the game, are met with this frustrating error. Although the developers have yet to provide an official solution, we've scoured various forums and threads to gather some potentially helpful strategies to tackle this problem. Our research has led us to a primary fix: swapping regions. Many users have successfully bypassed this error by changing their current region, whether from EU to US or vice versa. If you're unsure of how to alter your region in Battle.net, it's quite straightforward. Simply log out from your account, tap on the cog on the login screen and adjust your current region. After making this change, give the game another go and see if the error has been resolved. If region swapping doesn't do the trick, don't worry, we have a few more potential solutions up our sleeves. Firstly, try restarting the game and check for any pending updates. If there are updates waiting to be installed, go ahead and do so. Also, ensure your gaming device is running on the latest firmware version. Next, consider power cycling your entire system. By this, we mean rebooting both your gaming device and your router. Turn off these devices for about 5 minutes, then restart them and see if the error persists. If you're still experiencing the error, it's worth checking out Battle.net's Twitter account for any recent tweets about issues with the app. Lastly, patience might be your best strategy. If all else fails and the error continues to plague your gaming, it's possible that the issue lies on the developer's end. In this case, take a breather, wait a few hours, and report the error to the developers. To summarize, the COD Error Code blzbntbgs0000000c can potentially be resolved by swapping regions, installing pending updates, power cycling your system, or checking Battle.net's Twitter account for updates. If none of these solutions work, it's likely an issue that the developers need to address. So take a step back, report the error, and give the developers some time to rectify the problem. Remember, every problem has a solution and this error is no exception. Happy gaming! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.